All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get your rewards back in Bitcoins, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about AMP token. Well, just like all the other cryptocurrencies being down right now, AMP, for the first time in a while, is under 5 cents. So we're going to talk about, is this the time to load back up? Where's everybody's thoughts? 4.9 cents. We're going to check out AMP token, go to the website, all kinds of good stuff going on with AMP. Also, Shiba Inu is listed on the Flexa network now, so you can actually get your Shiba on Flexa, which is powered by AMP. Kind of cool things. Also, cryptocurrency jumps billions of dollars, billions, as a coin market cap goes crazy and berserk. Just the other day, we're going to dig into that. What was happened? I think it was a mistake, so we're going to dig into that. And then also, a Bored Ape that's worth $300,000. Well, it got gobbled up for $3,000. I think there was like $34,000 in gas fees. So all kinds of good stuff going to happen on this episode. AMP token. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand it, and then hear about the hot topics of what's going on in cryptocurrency. They're talking about the guy's fat fingers was a $250,000 mistake. I hope that doesn't happen to any of us. So with that, let's head over to AMP token. All right, over here at AMP token at CoinMarketCap, it's down about 6%. Doesn't seem like that much, but the token is under 5 cents. Now, we were talking about this before when it was under 5 cents. Is this a good time to load back up? We're going to do a price prediction at the end of the show, but it's at under 5 cents, down 1% in the last 24 hours. All right, over here to the right, AMP token is at under 5 cents, 0.4885, down 1.2%. You know, take a look what it's done in the last 24 hours. I mean, this token was down at 4.7. At 4.7, again, it went down, down. And then luckily it bounced back up to 4.9. So the token is actually under the 5 cent mark. We had videos a month ago when it was under the 5 cent mark and everybody was hoping it would stay under 5 cents. The token jumped all the way up to 7 cents. Right now could be a good reloading, buying the dip. Now, for some good news over here, I'm on the Twitter account. Let's get started on the weekend. Shiba is here. Now you can use Shiba tokens for fast, fraud-proof payments anywhere Flexa is accepted. That's right. Shiba can be used on your Flexa app, which is powered by AMP. And you can actually use it at over 40,000 stores. The 25 days of Flexa. We also found out over here, incredibly strong showing across the community. Of course, we couldn't just pick one. You can use Algorand, Chainlink, and Matic. They are now available on the Spenda app, which again is powered by AMP token. Matic you can now use on Spenda app. And this is retweeted the other day. BNT rewards are active on Flexa HQ AMP holders. Rewards are offered in exchange for BNT being listed on the Flexa network. BNT holders can now spend their BNT at 40,000 retailers. Bancor. So all kinds of good stuff going on over there with Shiba Inu and all kinds of tokens being listed on Flexa. We're going to come back to AMP in a little bit. Now we're going to go ahead and head over to NFTs that are worth $300,000 that are being sold for 1% of it. What happened there? $300,000 Bored Ape? All right, here we go. The guy accidentally sells his $300,000 Bored Ape NFT for 1% of the value. We live in the worst timeline. So it says, one fat finger NFT enthusiast made a typo that ended up costing him hundreds of thousands of dollars. Real name Max meant to sell his NFT for 75 Ethereum. The Ethereum costs about 300,000, but accidentally listed it for 0.75 instead. Before he could correct the fat finger error, Max not put it on CNFT. The NFT was snatched up in seconds for the amount of $3,000, 1% of the purpose value. The buyer reportedly paid an extra $34,000 in gas fees, but the CNFT reports that likely the NFT was purchased by a bot designed to explore this type of human error to buy up unusually cheap tokens before anyone else has a chance to fix them. So $34,000 in gas fees. Shortly after the laser quick purchase, the NFT was resold at the Ethereum equivalent of $248,000. You know, the gentleman said I list a lot of these items every day. I just wasn't paying attention properly. Max told CNFT. I instantly saw the error on my finger clicked the mouse, but a bot sent a transaction with over 8 Ethereum of gas fees, 34,000. So it was instantly sniped before I can cancel it. Just like that, $250,000 gone. These kind of fat finger sales or near miss sometimes happen both inside and outside the crypto world. Yeah, so it's just like, oh gosh, he sells it for 1% of what it was worth. So it's a mistake, cryptocurrency. Make sure when you're doing that, we had a video a couple months ago when you're sending money to make sure you copy the actual link and all the numbers and stuff. You know, when you're doing this, you got to definitely make sure. So there's an example of somebody selling an NFT and they forgot one extra number, and instead of selling for $300,000, sold for $3,000, $34,000 in gas fees. All right, so what happened over at CoinMarketCap the other day that everybody thought billions of extra money was there and then all of a sudden it was wiped away? I don't know. Let's check it out. Crypto prices seemingly jump by billions of dollars as CoinMarketCap goes berserk. What happened with CoinMarketCap? No, you're not a trillionaire. CoinMarketCap smashed the dreams of crypto investors around 5 p.m. Eastern Standard on Tuesday when it explained in a tweet that the shocking jump in price of a variety of cryptocurrency was due to price issues and wasn't for real. Our website is currently undergoing price issues. The company tweeted earlier Tuesday evening. We are currently investigating, what the update of the status was and all the information. As such, it is currently unclear whether this was a security accident or simply a glitch. We're reaching out to CoinMarketCap for an explanation. It appears as though the prices of every coin jumped by several orders of the magnitude. The price of a single Ethereum coin, for example, raised more to 500 billion. The real price was 3,800. Bitcoin, meantime, jumped to 789 billion. This put Bitcoin market cap as somewhere between a quadrillion dollars and the moon. So yeah, it wasn't for real, everybody, when the prices were off by a little bit. So wouldn't it have been nice if CoinMarketCap was actually right and you had some Ethereum or you had some Bitcoin and the price was just totally just super way up in the sky and then it was for real? But no, it wasn't for real. I bet you the guy with the NFT, he wishes that wasn't for real, but oh gosh. All right, let's head back over to AMP token for some price prediction. All right, well, let's do the price prediction. I've been saying I believe AMP's going to get to 12 cents for a while. All my information is for educational purposes only. I think I'm changing it. I'm going to say it's going to get to 8 cents. I mean, this coin just is staying around 5 cents, under 5 cents. It's so hard to stay at 5 cents. It jumped up to 7. I think it's going to get to the 8 cents by the end of the first quarter. But this coin is going back down to under the 5 cents. Could be a good time for everybody to buy the dip or to get the discount buy. Remember, all our information is for educational purposes only. Changing my thoughts just for the last few months. Now I'm thinking it's going to go to 8 cents. So let's head back over to AMP token. And again, over here, CoinMarketCap, 62. It's down about 6%. Bitcoin SV is down 21%. So anybody who likes Bitcoin, Bitcoin SV is down 21%. BitTorrent is down 30%. You may want to check that out right now. That's what's going on, everybody. It's not an AMP token thing. There's just a lot of tokens that are down. I mean, look at Helium. Was traded over $40. That's at $28 right now, down 7%. Hey, it's nice to see PancakeSwap is up 10%. Internet Computer down 21% right now, everybody. Internet Computer down 21%. This token was at $42 a month ago. May want to check that out. That could be definitely a good buy in the dip. Axie Infinity is down 20%, traded at $94 right now. So give us your thoughts. AMP token, been with them for a while, but right now, under 5 cents, perfect time to position. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Click right here to see our most recent video. Monday through Friday, we're bringing a video every single day at noon, 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Our second video, if we have a bonus one for the day, is between 6:30 and 7. Monday through Saturdays and Sundays, we're bringing you a video around 3 to 4 o'clock. Hey, everybody, have a fantastic day today.